Hello everyone, welcome to Hunt Electronics and this is your friend Shakib. And as we know that this is the month of December and we are going to celebrate our Christmas. So everyone must be thinking about what gift I can give to one of our loved one over here. So in this technical session I've got such a beautiful DIY kit which you can give to your friends, your loved ones over here. So, in today's technical session, I'm just going to guide you how you can assemble this DIY kit over there, and the link of this kit from where you can get it online. I already have mentioned into the comment, so you can just order it, you can assemble it, and you can give to your loved ones. So, without wasting time, let us go towards the technical session.
Okay, friend, let us see what we got in this box. So I've ordered this online. The link of the website I will be giving in the description. Okay, so if you want to order the same box, you can order from the same website over there. So yeah, this is packing over here. Okay, so you got a kit over here with some components. The most important thing, yeah, we have got a user manual over here how to do this DIY kit. Okay, some from the circuit diagram itself we can see that it is nothing but it is just similar to a stable multivibrator over here. From this you will come to know that they have given the list of component. Okay, so number of capacitor resistor over there and where it can be placed. So what is R1, R2, R3, R7, which is 10k, 15k. So they have given circuit diagram and the list of the component over here. Okay, in this you got PCB. Okay, the PCBs are a dual side PCB. Okay, and they are glass epoxy, and the build quality of the PCB is very nice. You will just love it. It is very stable. Okay, you got this Christmas tree which we are going to attach it like this. Okay, so it is going to be like this over here on the platform. Okay, and on this everything is printed very nicely. So R5 10k, the R6, R4. Okay, each and every values are given over here. You can see the LED which we are going to place over here, and the direction of the LED is also specified over here, so it is nice. Then they have given the battery holder over here. Good. So we required three 1.5 AA size batteries over here. Okay, again it is USB powered also, so you can connect to the USB also for 5 volt over here. So they have given the USB cable, and yes, but obviously they have given you all the resistor and component and transistors which you required, along with all the fitting instrument over here. Okay, so my dear friend, without wasting time, let us start constructing our circuitry as per the instruction which is given in the user manual. Okay, let us start with the assembly of the circuitry. First I'll take one part over here. So on this they have given you some instruction. So here it is R7 over there. R7 is nothing but a 10k. So I hope if it is not properly visible to you, you can take a multimeter to see whether it is a 10k or not. Okay, now you can see that I have finished with all resistors, whatever I have done, completed with the resistor soldering over here. Now we'll start with all the transistors. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 transistors are over here. So Okay friends, now you can see that I have finished with all the soldering of the capacitor, resistor and transistor. Now let us start with the LEDs over here. So my dear friends, you can see that I have finished with all the soldering stuff of resistor, transistors, capacitors and all the LED. Now let us connect this Christmas tree together and let us see how we can connect it. Okay, now you can see it got fit properly. Now you can give the two spot over here so that it can increase the mechanical strength of it. Okay, so let us do that. Okay, now you can see I have almost finished with the Christmas tree over here, soldering stuff of Christmas tree. Let us start with the bottom PCB. Okay, so you can see here we have got a switch over here. Okay, they have given one switch. They have given one power socket. Okay, which we are going to fit it here. So we have got one power socket, one switch over here. Then we have got a battery connection to be given over here, which is going to fit it at the bottom over here. You can see this, and the USB connector is going to be connected over here. Okay, so let us start with that. Fit the base to the Christmas tree. So here you can see the 2 minus polarity, 2 plus, so 2 minus polarity and 2 plus over here. So I can just connect it like this. So my dear friends, you can see that I have already connected the base of this. So 4 point over here, one switch and connector. Now we need to connect the battery at the base. So this will be the base of the Christmas tree. So for this they have given some screws and nut which we are going to connect. So my dear friend, you can see at the bottom of this Christmas tree I fitted the battery over here. So it can be, already I have discussed that it can be operated on the battery that you required a 3 AA size of a battery, or it can be USB connected over here. So let us make some battery connection over here, which is supposed to be done over here, plus minus. Almost ready with our Christmas tree over here. Let us turn on and check how it works. So my dear friend, you can see here I will connect a 5-volt connection over here from my mobile charger. So I've connected here. Let it put it on and I will just turn on this. Okay, oh, see how beautiful it is that awesome? So this is the one of the best gift you can give to your friend. So this is a DIY kit. Already I mentioned this is easily available. I will be sharing the link where you can get this from, or where you can purchase, and you can just assemble on your own and you can gift your friend over here. Okay, so for more technical videos and more technical stuff, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.